Welcome to Speed Zone. Today, we're diving into one of the most opulent motorhomes the world has ever seen, the 2026 Bentley Motorhome. Known for its heritage of unmatched luxury and elegance, Bentley has now stepped into the high-end motorhome market, blending British craftsmanship with the spirit of adventure. The result? A rolling mansion on wheels that doesn't just offer comfort, but redefines what luxury travel really means. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Bentley Motorhome, it commands respect. The exterior design is sleek, refined, and distinctly Bentley, with the signature matrix grille leading the front, flanked by crystal-cut LED headlights. This motorhome doesn't lose an ounce of brand identity. The aerodynamic bodywork is sculpted for both elegance and efficiency. Long, clean lines flow across the side panels, dressed in deep metallic paints sourced from Bentley's Mouliner division. Whether it's black crystal, sequin blue, or that classic British racing green, each finish has a showroom shine. The 2026 Bentley Motorhome sits on a heavy-duty, extended luxury chassis, custom developed for comfort and load capacity. It rolls on 24-inch polished aluminum wheels featuring the Bentley logo at the center, which, just like the set-ins, remain upright even when the wheels turn. Chrome accents frame the windows, while retractable side steps and a powered canopy add practicality to its visual brilliance. Even the rear end has been tastefully sculpted with horizontal LED taillights that mirror Bentley's latest GT lineup. As you step inside, the true essence of Bentley comes alive. The interior is nothing short of spectacular. High-grade leather sourced from Northern European hides wraps the seats, the dashboard, and even the doors. Hand-stitched diamond quilting, rich wood veneers, and knurled metal knobs remind you that this isn't just a motorhome, it's a handcrafted luxury suite. The ceiling is lined with ambient lighting, while the floors are either heated marble or the softest wool carpets money can buy. The lounge area features dual recliners, a hidden 65-inch old smart TV, and a surround sound system by Naim Audio, exclusive to Bentley. The kitchen boasts premium Gagno appliances, marble countertops, and even a wine chiller. There's a dining area with real crystal glassware stored in shock-proof compartments. In the rear, the master bedroom features a queen-size bed with memory foam, ample wardrobe space, and a skylight for stargazing. The ensuite bathroom? It's like a mini spa, complete with a rainfall shower, touch-controlled lighting, and gold-plated fixtures. But luxury doesn't mean sacrificing performance, not with Bentley. Under the hood, the 2026 Bentley Motorhome is powered by a 6.0-liter W12 twin-turbocharged engine, producing around 650 horsepower. This motorhome isn't just about cruising in comfort. It has the muscle to glide effortlessly down highways and climb steep terrains. A specially tuned air suspension system ensures that even rough roads feel like gliding on clouds. The transmission is an 8-speed dual-clutch setup, optimized for smooth shifts and long-distance efficiency. Despite its size, the Bentley Motorhome is surprisingly agile, thanks to rear-wheel steering and active roll stabilization. Bentley's advanced traction control and adaptive cruise systems ensure you feel confident behind the wheel. Whether navigating tight city corners or sweeping mountain passes, tech lovers will appreciate the integrated, smart control system that connects everything from lighting and temperature to entertainment and security, all accessible via touchscreen or mobile app. Solar panels on the roof support off-grid living, while a lithium-ion battery system ensures reliable power backup. In the end, the 2026 Bentley Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement. A celebration of craftsmanship, performance, and innovation. For those who want to experience the world without compromising on style or comfort, this motorhome is the ultimate answer. Stay tuned with Speed Zone for more groundbreaking automotive luxuries.